Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram suspended account. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if your account got suspended here, well, there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, typically, accounts would get suspended or disabled due to a number of reasons. Like, for example, you going against the Instagram's community guidelines. So, if you went against their guidelines here, well, your account is in high risk of being suspended. So typically, in order for you to lift or recover your account from suspension, well, you need to first access your actual account. Typically, you just need to access the Instagram app or website. Just type in your username, email, or mobile number, and also your password, and click on login. Now, once you first log in or once you log in into your account, you should be able to see this pop up. Now, the thing with suspensions with Instagram is within 180 days on the start of the suspension, you should be able or you should get the option to disagree with the decision. Now, typically, if you click on disagree with decision, they will ask you to provide certain details. And you just need to fill those up and just basically explain the current situation. So if you think they disabled your account due to something it shouldn't be disabled shouldn't be disabled for, well, in this case, you could actually explain your current situation and what exactly happened. Now, typically, as long as you explain it properly and also politely, they would be able to lift the ban. But like what I said, if you get your account suspended over and over again, well, typically your account may get disabled. So meaning you no longer have access to that account anymore. So they won't be able to basically give you any options to request a undo or a disagree option here on your Instagram account. So you need to be careful with your bans or your suspension. So don't do it again sometime in the future. But typically, once you submit the appeal, or once you've submitted once you've explained the situation, this is what you should be seeing. Now, typically, it would take around a day or a week for them to review the actual appeal here. And typically, if they agree to that, they would actually reach out to you via email or via the app again once you log in into your account, and they will inform you the output of or the result of the decision. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.